What's up you guys, it's Martin. I'm back with a new video. It's the third video of this year. Today's video, as you guys can see by the title, is gonna be my very first challenge video of the year. I'm about to be spending 24 hours in the car. I'm about to be living in the car for 24 hours. And I'm pretty excited about that. The title says I'm gonna be spending the night 24 hours living in the car for 24 hours, obviously, but I'm clickbaiting y'all. I'm clickbaiting you guys. It's 7:02. There's no way I'm about to spend 24 hours like coming out of the car tomorrow at 7 p.m. So yeah. The reason why I'm actually starting this video so late is because I still have a job. I work from 5 o'clock in the morning all the way up until 3:30 p.m. I had to do a little bit of stuff after work, so I'm starting this video hella late. I actually couldn't wait to just get in my PJs, so I'm already in my PJs. I'm about to go to the store right now actually to get the stuff that we need. About to get some shit. Well, alright, I'm gonna just say I'm actually not gonna do this video by myself today. A special guest. And that special guest is actually the person that's holding the camera, and that will be revealed right about. So my very special guest is actually. Come on, baby. It's my cousin actually. I'm not gonna do this video myself. Her name is Erlinda, alright? Okay, so one thing about her though, actually, she only speaks Spanish, not English, so
Sorry.
So, she knows a little bit, but not a lot. Yeah, we're about to actually go to the store. Vamos a agarrar comida. Pero alguien acá dice que según que no comen en la noche. Alright, so we're about to go to the store right now. ¿Tienes algo que decir? ¿Estás bien?
Muy emocionada.
¿Estás emocionada?
Sí.
Okay, vamos a ir vamos a ir a la tienda. We're about to go to the store and get some shit to eat. I'll pick up the camera when like we getting this stuff, and yeah, I'm about to get this stuff. I'm sorry if I mumble a lot. I'm hella tired. I just came back from work. Yeah, so I'm about to pick up the camera when we're at the store and getting the shit. Alright, so we just got a Walmart. I got a little tank of gas. And so for tomorrow in the morning, I got this little coffee kit para un cafecito. Yo casi ni tomo café, pero recientemente he tomado café y mucho café. Yeah, so I got this, that, and I need to. Ay, ¿qué son? Over here, I go to this one store. Damn, I'm so tired, I can't even talk. There's like a Chinese place here. Para agarrar los ostiones to get the wishers. Antes que cierren a las 8. So, yeah, let's go.
¡Corramos! ¡Corre, tracas!
Alright guys, so we just got a Walmart. I got me some hot dogs. And I got me a little top ramen because I haven't ate them in a minute. Agarrar unos chetos porque a alguien acá le gustan los chetos. Ooh, we better fuck those up. Alright guys, so we've been getting a little sidetracked, but we got a few things. We're planning to make s'mores, but I can't find the freaking crackers. I can see? Como así que sí, sí. Where are these freaking crackers, bro?
Yo he usado ese truco. Era para que la ayudaras.
¿Eh?
Era para que la ayudaras.
Una cosa, las mujeres,
Yo sé lo que hizo.
el amor no existe.
¡Más dolida!
Alright guys, so we basically got everything. I wasn't able to record everything I was thinking. We're about to go home and take everything to the car where we're about to be spending the night at. Yeah. Okay.
Hay fallas técnicas.
Yeah, we just got home and we get to drop off the food. ¿Mande? And this door won't open. My pops is in there right now. Trying to fix it. ¿La va a querer por las manos o por las dos? Ni por las dos. Yeah, we're gonna have to cook this with the windows just rolling down. My plan was to have this open and have this grill como así, sentados y aquí sin salir del carro, pero. Alright, you guys, so we had a lot of complications trying to fix this backfall, and we ended up not being able to open it. This video is kind of a fail, but I'm still gonna do it. It's literally 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm still about to cook. Oh, and I got my brother with me too. Alright, there's our little setup. Ya empezaron a comer. Yeah. Yeah, there's our little setup. Got the freaking to like cook like the hamburgers and stuff. I'm gonna do that in the morning. And then right now I'm about to cook up some s'mores right now. That's bombones right here. There's a little setup. I'm about to sleep right there. Are you gonna sleep here? Oh, it's I'm about to turn the shit on to make the s'mores. Alright, so I know this video is like 24 hours and like I'm not supposed to be coming out of the car, but so the back door doesn't open. I'm gonna just have to cook right here. So shit goes about it. tracas, no sé si tracas.
Aquí nos vamos a aprender. Martín no sabe usar eso.
¿Cómo que no sé? Yo he ido a acampar un chingo de veces.
Pues sí, una cosa es acampar y otra cosa es en el carro.
Ay, espérate, se lo estaba abriendo bien. Mira, mira, mira. Mira, y luego esto para aquí va, mira.
Aquí nos vamos a aprender.
Puede ser, mira. Yo soy un chef, Yo soy un chef. ¿Ah? ¿Tú sabes qué es? Ya. Ah, perro, mira, mira, mira. Okay, esta es la parte que sí es poquito peligroso porque
Ay, no, güey. Sí sabes
poner
usarlo.
el tanque.
Vamos a hazlo.
Alright, Mama, that is my first time putting a freaking. This gas is my first time. Yeah, lo voy a hacer afuera porque no quiero. I don't want to cause like a fire. Otra cámara recording.
Es más, camarógrafo.
I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing. Míralo. Someone was screwing the shit in, it's not even going in. Yeah, so I finally got this shit down. I didn't know how to turn this on, but I figured it out. There's a little fire going on. Hold on, ready? Ah, lo apagué, chingada. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Ah, we're about to make some s'mores. You want one? Yeah, make me one. ¿Dónde están las croquetas? Oh. Perdón.
¿Que no los croquetas son para perros?
¿Verdad que sí?
No.
¿Verdad que sí? Yo sabía que no era
The bite that wasn't able to open, so I'm kind of like this for now while I'm cooking. Just for now, just for now, just for now.
Ay, güey.
Digo, Erlinda.
Chingazo.
Me dijo, me presenta como Erlinda. Imagínate qué vergüenza.
Pues no.
Pásame un momento.
2 in the morning, Chronicles.
Hey, bro, this is the back door wasn't opening. So we've been doing all day we've been trying to fix the back door, like the trunk. Oye, pon música.
Yo quiero.
Pero baja para que no me hagan copyright.
¿Qué es eso?
How do you say copyright?
Ok. No,
Copyright.
¿Lo pongo más arriba?
No. Vamos a apagar.
A ver qué hacen aquí.
Mira.
Está poderoso. Así.
Mira. Oh yeah.
Ay, mis ojos.
Hay luces quemados.
A mí no. A mí no. Se apagó la luz. Camarógrafo, se apagó la luz.
Yeah, just like that, I think.
I know for a second I was like, hold on, we'll go first. Cameraman.
Pienso que vamos a hacer lo más
Ay,
rápido.
güey. For me.
Sí.
Thank you, bro. A ver.
Chingue su madre. Ay, las estoy quebrando bien mal.
Tampoco ven.
Sí.
Si no me dices ni cuánto pedo.
Según yo.
Esto no me va a hacer dormir. Este dulce no me va a hacer dormir.
Alright, you guys, so we just got done making s'mores. It's currently 2:37. Yeah, we're just chilling. Nah, pues cómete algo leve. Damn. I had gone a week and I had bought like a lot of buns, a lot of hot dog buns, hamburger buns. It was like 2:48 in the morning. It's a little too late to make the hot dogs and hamburger, so I'm most likely gonna make them in the morning. Make a little morning coffee. I had bought this actually. ¿Dónde está?
¿Qué?
Lo del café. Oh. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. First ever challenge of the year. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do right now. Probably gonna be watching on these for a little bit. I'm about to be on YouTube watching movies maybe. Yeah, so I'll just pick up the camera if anything happens. If nothing happens, I mean it's because we fell asleep, and I'll just pick up the camera in the morning. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. I'm starting a little late, but due to some complications, yes, yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit or in the morning. So I just ate so much Cheetos, I'm spiced the fuck out. But I think I'm about to go to sleep right now. Bueno, pues tienen frío. They're cold as fuck. Mira, los machos no tienen frío. You gotta eat these, or we're missing out. Voy a poner en hora. ¿A qué hora se quieren despertar? Para que empiece a cocinar.
A las 10.
A las 10, ¿crees que empiece? Ok, so me despierto a las 9 con las 5 para que prepare todo para que cocine a las 10. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. It's a few minutes that I've been, you know, doing this challenge for. Literally sleeping in the car, bruh. Like, literally the whole car. No clickbait. The only clickbait that it is true is that I may or may not do the whole 24 hours though. Because that's me coming on like, sí, mira, qué bonitos se miran, cabronas. Digo, cabronas y cabronas. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying so far this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm trying to hit I already hit 300 subs. So help me hit 400 subs is the next milestone. Yay. Sorry. 30 to 3 subs now. Next milestone is 400 subs. But my goal in like 3 months is at least to hit 1K. I'll pick up the camera when I wake up, y'all. Yeah, y'all, good night. Good morning, y'all. We met tonight. ¿Me sientes con frío o no?
Mucho.
¿Mucho?
Sí.
Nah, yo no.
¿Qué es eso? Todo
I know, bro. The
congelado.
weather's so bad right now. It's like a rainy day. Nah, it's not 51, bro. Todavía me falta sueño.
Me también.
¿Quién?
Quédate.
Te pregunto. Alright, I'm gonna definitely make hot dogs with wrapper bacon. Then my hair's fucked up. Siento que mis tripas van a hacer ruido ahorita. Alright, you guys, I'm finally about to cook. Esto está adivinando cómo hacer el ese para el café del little coffee kit. ¡Bate, chocolate! Shit, tracas! Alright, but like I was saying, I know there's like a whole 24-hour challenge and stuff like that, but I have to get a few things from home, like the little essentials, like sugar, coffee, water, things like that. But yeah, so we're about to do coffee, about to cook hamburgers. Well, actually, no sé si voy a hacer una hamburguesa o hot dogs todavía. ¿Eh? Hot dogs, ok, pues.
Corre, ya, yo tengo hambre.
Oh, perdón. I'm about to get on the hot dogs. Déjame les enseño, creo, de lo que agarré. Alright, so what we had got was pork sausages, beef for the hamburgers, and then we got papitas también. Se me olvidó de las papitas. And then the hot dogs thingamajiggies. También el tocino agarramos. Placas. Ya estoy lista para casarme, ¿eh? ¿O no estoy lista? ¿Todavía más? ¿Todavía me falta?
Mucho.
Mira. By the way, I did wash my hands off camera. ¿Ya que sí? ¿Ya que sí? Sí. ¡Ay, se me olvidó la grasa! ¡Ay! Ahora sí estamos hablando,
Míralo.
Mira, ya estoy listo para casarme. Look, that's my point of view. For any ladies looking for a man that can cook, aquí estoy. ¿Sabes que sí? ¿Ves? Dice que sí también.
Justamente.
Digo que ya estoy listo para casarme. The hell again. Once done. Oh! A perro! Get this shit.
Tracas.
Bro, if y'all were here in person, y'all would crave this.
¿Y no se lo pasa?
Creo que se me falta.
El agua.
Es mejor ser esto primero para mí.
Oh, sí. Perdón. Se ve muy rico. Yo ya tengo hambre.
Te huele bien rico.
Sí.
Escuchen, listen. Ready? Ya puse la agua para hervir para el café. Another point of view. Tuya. Mira, no, ya está todo listo.
Yo ya tengo hambre.
Bro, sleeping in the car is actually having fun. ¿Te divertiste durmiendo en el carro?
Uy, sí.
¿Qué era tu favorita parte de hacer todo esto? La comida, di.
La comida.
La comida.
Lo que no. Va a estar frío mis pies.
¿Eh?
Ta 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 tan. Rápido. Mejor esa.
La voy a servir. Bro, only if the back door was able to open. ¿Verdad que sí, Lupita? No más dije sí. ¿No hubiéramos hecho papitas? No, está bien. ¿No? No, pero luego se nos va a enfriar la comida. I'm gonna show y'all our food right now. Yo, like, bruh. Con tocino, ketchup. Make coffee too. Perfect.
Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember Gardena? I took the studio camera. I know Typo be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still down? If I'm in my mind, where would you?
Look at how you wrap it. Ira. Hey. Just consider el pan así. Ay, hijo de puta. Take this to Mama Bear real quick. No. Nathan. Prepárate.
Oh my god.
¿Qué pues?
Gracias.
De nada. Alright guys, so that's gonna conclude today's video. ¿Cómo te la pasaste? So tired. She got work in like an hour and a half. Bien? So yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I already had cleaned up everything. I wasn't in a rush to do everything because you got work. You got work in a few. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I clickbaited y'all, but we spent the night in the car, cooked as y'all seen. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know any video ideas y'all'd like for me to do. Catch you guys later. ¿Tienes algo que decir?
Nada.
No?
Frío.
Alright, y'all. Yeah, catch you guys on the next one. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next weekend.
Spent the last check on the watch and I can read the time. Took an OAP,